So in this Swagbucks tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to make real money by playing Animal and Coins here on Swagbucks. Now, once Swagbucks is opened up, I want you to go to the app here, go to the bottom left between surveys and home, and press on games, and then press on get started. Once you're on this page right here, I want you to go to where it says sort by most popular and just change that to A to Z. Because we're looking for the game called Animal and Coins, it's pretty straightforward. Just scroll down a little bit here to where we get to the A's and where it says earn up to 64,705 swag bucks by playing Animal and Coins. That's what we're looking for here. So I'm going to go ahead and press on this right here. First and foremost, press on get now to download the app. Now once the app is downloaded, in order for you guys to earn swag bucks and then eventually cash that in for rewards, you have to go ahead and progress through the game. And you guys can go ahead here, right, like make any purchase, reach island 3, reach island 14, etc. Basically by playing through the game, reaching different islands, etc., you can earn swag bucks when you have enough swag bucks to redeem for cash or gift cards. That's how you guys can make real money by playing this game. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but that is how to earn real money by playing Animal and Coins here on Swagbucks. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.